In this video we'll test the difference in repeatability using the same probe mounted in the different ways. A fixed rotary probe, a probe in an ISO tool holder, and a probe inserted into the spindle. First, we'll measure the repeatability of the probe itself, without any influence from handling or repositioning. From the measured results we can see that the total repeatability of the probe without handling is 3 micrometers, which corresponds to 0.12 mils. Let's perform 10 measurement cycles using the same probe mounted in an ISO 20 tool holder for an ATC spindle. In each cycle, the tool holder is removed and reinserted back to the spindle. The measurement shows that the total deviation in repeatability over 10 cycles using the probe in an ATC spindle tool holder is 20 micrometers, which corresponds to 0.79 mils. The next step is to measure repeatability over 10 cycles, where the probe is manually inserted into the spindle collet before each measurement and removed afterward. This is the most common method of use. This method also places the highest demands on the quality of the collet, and it is the most time-consuming of all the handling methods mentioned. The measured deviation of 23 micrometers, which corresponds to 0.91 mils, is sufficient for general use. However, with low-quality collets, this value can increase to nearly 1/10 of a millimeter. We covered the repeatability testing of the DIG3D rotary probe in more detail in one of the previous videos. A major advantage of this probe handling method is the quick and potentially automated preparation, along with simple control. The resulting measured deviation of 3 micrometers, or 0.12 mils, is the best among all the tests performed. Even in repeated tests, the deviation never exceeded 6 micrometers. Let's do a quick summary. The probe on its own achieved a repeatability of 3 micrometers. The probe mounted in an ISO tool holder showed a repeatability of 20 micrometers, with a typical setup time of 5 to 10 seconds. The probe inserted directly into the spindle collet reached a repeatability of 23 micrometers, but the setup time usually ranges from 30 to 60 seconds. The clear winner is the DIG3D rotary probe, which, when properly installed and configured, can fully utilize the excellent capabilities of the measuring system and achieve repeatability as low as 3 micrometers. Additionally, the setup time in this case is under 2 seconds, and the entire process can be fully automated and controlled directly from the CNC machine's program. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.